Cadillac. People just love Cadillacs. So we've got this one here because it was having some running issues. And what we found was we pulled the cylinder head and one of the lifters had completely come apart.
This is cylinder number 7. That was where we had the main misfire.
Right. And so that coming apart, and we also was number what? Number 1?
Number 1 was having a little bit of
an issue as well. So what we're going to do with this is we're replacing both heads because we don't like to do things halfway, and this is a common failure for this engine. So we're going to replace both heads, camshaft, timing chain, lifters. It basically rebuild the top end of the engine. As you can see, it's quite a bit of work involved, but we'll get this thing running in tip-top shape, and this customer will have many hours free of not having to worry about his engine. Cylinder walls look good. Was a bunch of carbon in the engine. Of course, that's common as well. But yeah, these lifter failures and camshaft failures are very, very common in this particular engine. Anyway, if you got a Caddy Escalade or any GM product and you're having engine problems, bring it to Pals. Hope to see you soon.